Goa, one of my favorite places to travel. I love this place so much that I plan to shift here anytime soon. This time, I'm traveling solo, and it all started with absolutely no plans. I got the flight tickets booked and went to Hostel World website having no idea about hostels at all. But when I saw this amazing hostel called Woke Morgim, I made up my mind and booked it without having the second thought. This was fun staying here and meeting a couple of solo travelers. So if you're looking for a different experience, you must watch this video. I made a booking through Hostel World.
Your name is?
Prakash.
Prakash.
Yeah. You got it?
Yes. 6-bed dormitory for 1 night. Just give me 2 minutes, I'll just call my receptionist.
So the check-in is done now. I'm going in the room, and before I get into the room, let me show you guys this pass. So they'll give you this pass to open the door, and then keep you 500 rupees till the time you check out. And they also give you this sort of band so that they can recognize that you are part of the guest list. So I'm going in the room right now. So let me take you to the beautiful, amazing room. See you. I'm in the room right now, and this area is for 8 beds. You can see each bed has number like this. So you can see there are numbers, and this is very comfortable. For one person, it's quite comfortable. And this is also very solid. So this is made from wood. It's pretty solid. They also got a charger plug or maybe laptop plug on each bed, so you can actually charge your phone or mobile, whatever you want to charge. Yeah. And there's also, you can see, I'm not sure if you can see, there is a reading light as well. So if you want to read something at night, you can do that. So yeah, this is 8 bed area. So there are 8 beds. You can see the number. So this is number 8. Each bed has a particular locker with a number again. Like, so if you suppose if you got a 6 bed, you can keep your luggage in this. Yeah. If you come inside, there is another 4 bed dorm room. So this is a 4 bed dorm room with 1 washroom. So you can see there is a 1 washroom. Yeah. And the room I'm staying is this is actually 6 bed area. So this is 6. This is where I'm staying. This is the bed where I would be sleeping, and it has got 2 washrooms as well. So you can see this, and there's another one. So there are 2 washrooms. They have also got a balcony, but ये चलता नहीं है because ये road से बहुत पास है, तो धूल मिट्टी आते थे, so they have covered it. But yeah, light अच्छी खासी आती है यहाँ से. You can see each bed has AC, or it's super clean, as I am repeating again and again, because it's actually super clean. So if you are coming in this hostel, one thing is assured, that you're gonna get a clean room, a clean bed. So yeah, I'm here for 1 day, and let's see how it goes. There's a pool as well, so I will be going to the pool. There is a restaurant as well, which I'll try for the breakfast in the morning. Yeah, so that's how it is. So see you.
The words you say don't fit right now. I hear you sometimes it takes.
Good morning again from Woke Hostel. So yeah, ये एरिया है जो मैं आपको दिखाना चाहता था. This is really nice because ये काफ़ी free area है where you can actually chill in the evening, or you can have your beer or wine, whatever you want to have. And यहाँ पे swimming pool भी, as you can see. The swimming pool is also really nice. It's small, but it's wide. It's very clean, and the water looks really nice. And they also got a mini bar, you can see here. So they, I think, open in the evening. So yeah, it looks fun. So there are 2 floors. The first floor, which I'm staying, and there are again one more floor. So I'll take you through the to the corridor area. Let's see how it is, because corridor area is very nice. You can actually have fun, chill with your friends, have your beer, and then I'll take you to the restaurant, which is on the front side of the hostel. and we'll see कि क्या rate है, कैसा खाना है, and what else we can do at this hostel. और beach कितना दूर है also I'll make sure to tell you and show you. All set. अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ breakfast करने at this restaurant. अब नाम पता नहीं क्या है, but there is some name of this restaurant and you can see this is right behind me. This looks really nice. एक problem है कि ये road पे है, so you might be having a lot of noise like you see now. And but yeah, overall this looks nice. So let me check out कि क्या है restaurant में. So let's go.
And I wanna know if things weren't so enough. Sometimes you gotta give things up. Sometimes you better not let go. 'Cause I need to know right now.
Just ordered one fruit salad and one masala tea. It's not that expensive, but yeah, for fruit bowl I'm paying 150, and then for tea is I think 75.
Down and in trouble. Jump in the water. Jump in the water so Jump in the water so
So what I'm eating is really healthy. Let me show you what I'm eating right now. This is what I'm eating. And on top of that I'm having a tea as well. So देखते हैं कैसा है. So the breakfast looks really nice, and I'm also having tea. So yeah, all good so far. So this is a masala tea. So when you're in Goa, try to go to beach like Ashram. It's not very crowded, and from this hostel it's very close as well. It's about 1.5 kilometer. And if you go to Baga beach or any other beach like Baga or Anjuna, you'll find a lot of people there because those are the famous beaches. South Goa is also very nice, but I haven't been there, so not very sure कि कैसा होगा. But yeah, I wish I could go, but I just have one day, so I can't do that. So yeah, abhi to I'm having my breakfast, then I'll go to the pool and then have some swim, and then I'll roam around. I haven't been to this Morjim beach. This place is called Morjim, so I haven't been there, so I'll also try to go there today. And let's see. So मिलते हैं breakfast के बाद. See you. So done with heavy breakfast, fruit bowl and one masala tea. Now I'm going to the pool and we'll see you there. I'm at the second floor right now, and let me tell you guys, they also have a kitchen where you can cook your fast food, your Maggi, or boil your eggs, whatever you want to do. Because क्या होता है जब हम travel करते हैं तो sometimes we feel that we should have something at our own like Maggi or egg. So you can do here, just right behind me you can see there's a kitchen which is equipped with everything that you need to cook your food. Yeah, there's also a place where you can sit and relax and have your food, and you can see the greenery behind me. It's amazing. Yeah, so abhi tak to this is going well. I'm taking you to the second floor now, and let's see what is there. So this is first floor at the Vogue Hostel, and this place is very nice. You can actually sit here, chill with your friends, and it also got a pool view. So yeah, this looks really nice. So There are plenty of books that you can read, you can see there, and enjoy your afternoon or maybe evening with such a green view. So yeah, so I'm leaving for Delhi now. आज मेरी फ़्लाइट है 3 बजे और अभी 11 बज गए और यहाँ से एयरपोर्ट का रास्ता बहुत दूर है. It will take around 1 hour and 40 minutes. So I have to plan accordingly और मुझे breakfast भी करना है. So it has been a great experience at this hostel. So if you're in Goa, do check this out, and if you're traveling solo, you must check this out because for solo traveler it's amazing. So see you in next day. Bye bye.